Okay, for 34, another question here. So the longest of the vertical supporting wires is 100, right? So that's on the very end, that these are 100. So if we think about the coordinates of this, right, that means that that's the y coordinate for these two on the end. Okay, and it says the horizontal, so this is 300 feet across, okay? So this is 300 total feet. Well, if we put the axes here, that means that this has to be 150 on both sides, right? And we just think about this being the vertex of it right here. That's our vertex there, okay? It does tell us the shortest one's 40, so the coordinates of this point right here are 0, 40 for myself. Again, I'm trying to figure out the length of the supporting wire. That's 50 feet from the middle, so I want to know if I have an x value of 50 or negative 50, right, how long that wire is going to be. So I basically just need that y coordinate for this, right? Need to know what this y coordinate is going to be. Okay, but to do that, need that equation first, right? So it's a parabola opening up. X squared plus 40, right? That'll give me what I need there because I plug in the 0. Yep. Okay, let's plug in the 150. Nice thing is I don't really need the 4p there, so I'm just going to call this an a for the coefficient there. I just need to figure out that coefficient. I don't really need to know where the directrix is or what this length is going to be. Actually, I already know that length is, right? Well, actually, I don't know the length, right? I just need to know what the a value is, so I'll plug that in. So I got a 150, right, squared plus 40. So it's going to be 60 equals 150 squared, which is 225 with 2 zeros after it. Okay, and so a is going to be 60 over 225 with 2 zeros. Well, 1 0 if we cancel that, right? Reduce. Okay, does that reduce? I think it does. Right, it's going to give me 375. So we have our equation there. Notice I didn't solve for p because I didn't really need to. I just need to find that coefficient. Right now I can just plug in the 50. And so it's going to give me 50 squared. It's going to be 25 with 2 zeros plus 400. I'm sorry, 40. Right. So I go in and put it into my calculator and get whatever answer it's going to be, right, for myself. Right. And that's your final answer.